Hi, I'm Honda Pro Jason. Today I'm going to walk you guys around the all-new Honda HR-V EX trim. Starting with this new aggressive front grille. I mean, it just looks awesome. And these amazing looking headlights, check out these 17-inch rims. They also look awesome. Coming up here, the side view mirrors go forward and backward with the turn signal indicator. Now, while this may look like a coupe, it's actually a four-door. Here's the door handle for the back door. Coming around to the back, you guys are gonna love what I'm about to show you. This beautiful big spoiler, along with these LED taillights, and a hatch that opens up nice and wide. Plenty of room inside, but if you need a little bit more, this back seat folds right down, and so does the other side. And when you're ready to leave, all you have to do is shut the hatch, press this little black button on the bottom, locks the doors, and you simply walk away. Now let me walk you through the interior features on the new HR-V, starting with the driver's side door. Auto up and down window. You also have a height adjustable driver's seat and a door pocket perfect for a water bottle. Coming across here, you have a beautiful new styled 3-spoke steering wheel with your audio adjustments on your left, your cruise control on your right, and your Bluetooth right underneath. Your display gauges are easy to read day or night. And just take a look at this beautiful display here for your audio. It's easy to use, easy to press, and definitely easy to see. Coming down here, you have an electrostatic heating and air conditioning display that's all touch. And then hidden underneath are all your USB and HDMI plugins. Under the hood, Honda keeps it simple, using a 1.8 liter with IV Tech, getting 141 horsepower, and still with the all-wheel drive version, getting 27 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. What an awesome vehicle with so many cool features. For more information, contact your local Honda dealer.